Hi, I'm Mason.
And I'm Angelia.
And today we want to show you one of our favorite games, Splendor.
Splendor is a 2 to 4 player game by Marc Andre, and it's for ages 10 and up.
So let's go ahead and teach you how to play. In Splendor, players take on the role of Renaissance merchants trying to build their jewel empire. To win the game, you have to be the first player to get to 15 points, and point values are listed on the top left of the cards. So cards can be worth either 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 points. To buy the cards, players have to pay the jewel cost in the bottom left. And to acquire those jewels, a player on their turn can take one of 4 different actions. First action you can take is to take 3 jewels of different colors. So maybe a ruby, a sapphire, and a diamond. Players can also choose to take 2 jewels of the same color. So perhaps 2 emeralds. Third action players can take is to buy one of the cards if they have collected enough of the jewel chips to buy the card. So if I would have collected 2 rubies and 1 onyx, I could then return these to the bank to purchase this diamond card. While this card isn't worth any points, it's beneficial to pick up some of these cheaper cards because you will receive a discount in future purchases for cards that you have acquired. So by having this card, I'm actually going to pay 1 fewer diamond on future purchases that require diamonds. The last action players can take is reserving cards. I know Angelia's been eyeing this card worth 3 points, so I'm going to, on my turn, reserve it and place it face down in front of me. When I reserve that card, I also get to take 1 gold chip, which counts as any color of jewel for a future purchase. This card or a card on the board. Players alternate, taking turns, choosing between taking jewels, buying cards, reserving cards, until one person gets to 15 points. Players can also earn points by collecting nobles, by meeting a certain requirement of cards. So to get 3 points from this noble, I will have to get 4 ruby cards and 4 emerald cards. And the final rule that we didn't explain in our intro was that the youngest player always takes the first move and then play proceeds clockwise. And as the youngest between us two, I will take the first move. I'm gonna go ahead and my first move is going to be 1 diamond, 1 sapphire, and 1 onyx.
I'm a fan of reserving cards, so I'm just gonna take 2 emeralds.
All right. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take 2 rubies. It is important to note that you cannot take 2 of 1 gem if there are less than 4 gems in that stack.
I'm gonna reserve this diamond because Mason's about to buy it and make him sad.
All right. I'm not thrilled. I'm not thrilled with it. And I'm gonna take a diamond, emerald, onyx.
Okay. Let's see here. I would like a ruby, an onyx, and sapphire. Seems fine.
One last important note for rules is that a player cannot have more than 10 chips at one time. And right now I'm at 8, so I'm a little jammed up. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna take this one and reserve it.
So I'm gonna take a ruby, an onyx, and we'll go ahead and take, oh, I'm sorry, we're gonna take a emerald as well.
So I'll go ahead and reserve that one if you want to refill it.
Sure thing. I'm gonna go ahead and purchase a sapphire.
I'll purchase the emerald. I'll go ahead and buy this for 7 sapphires and 3 emeralds.
What are you
to get 17 points.
What?
And once we have an equal number of turns, the game is over.
Cancel the whole video.
Redo.
I want a rematch. Although I'm super unhappy with how this game turned out. Thanks for watching.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below on what game you want to see us play next week on 2 Player Tuesday. Thanks so much.